Hey everyone! Welcome back to another one of my videos. Yeah, I've just had music in my videos for like a while. So now you can hear my voice again when I have a cold. Great! Yeah, if you can't tell, I have a cold. My nose is stuffy, my throat itches. So if I sound weird, that's why. Anyways, yes, I love this. I thought 2 Thursdays ago, that update was the best. Oh no. This update, the Night of the Phantoms, is my favorite. Well, that and the Jamal days is my two favorite times of the year in Jamal. So let me just give you a quick tour of my fall den, so far. Oh yeah, this thing is huge. I got it. Someone I traded 3 rims for it. Not sure if it's in the adventure, the bittersweets, or not. I don't know. So there's a quick tour of my den. Now let's get into the news. So the first page is the best. Well, it's just like the Night of the Phantoms isn't. I thought it was a party or an adventure, but no, it's not. Because last year, the first time when I got a membership, it was the Night of the Phantoms. So yeah, I'm not a member right now, but I'll be getting a membership within a few days. So, Night of the Phantoms. Night of the Phantoms has arrived at long last. The darkness approaches, and it's coming on fast. There are fun items, pets, and parties, all waiting to unfold. So prepare for spooky surprises. Some are new, and some are old. Yeah, like, this is old. This is old. This is old. And this is old. And that. But this and this are new. So yeah. Night of the Phantoms is awesome, guys. I love it. Comment down below what your favorite, when's your favorite season or time in July? Next one is the spooky, I already said that, right? Yeah, this is new. Spooky extravaganza. I don't know if I said that right. All around Jamal, something's crawled inside the nest. There are 3 brand new hatchlings. Which do you like the best? Adopt an extravaganza pet, and you're in for a scare. These Night of the Phantom pets aren't available elsewhere. AJ's got this thing going, man. Like, they got some rhyming words. Okay, so the spooky extravaganza. I would show you guys that, but sadly, I'm not a member. Cry. Got my cute little skeleton and scary guinea pig hamster with me, though. That's so adorable. So next page, the Epic Haunted Manor. I actually have this because it was my first member den I ever had. Is the Epic Haunted Manor. The Epic Haunted Manors return once again, so creep out and go get this spooky old den. With rooms upon rooms and multiple floors, it's sure to hold tight all who pass through its doors. So if you guys didn't see that, glitch, so yeah, the Epic Haunted Manor. So if you guys didn't see that glitch, because someone sent me, whoa, I haven't even checked the, jamograms. I want to see them, they're custom. Oh my gosh, I love this, look at that, it's like a candy corn, but it's Jamal. Happy day of the Phantoms. It's night. Excuse me. Get it right, AJ. Night of the Phantoms. Yeah, night. Spooky fun. Night of the Phantoms. Trick or treat. Phantoms. You are so sweet. Happy Night of the Phantoms. I love fall. Oh my gosh. Okay. Which one is your guys' favorite out of these? My favorite is this one. I just love this one. I'm going to reply and say Okay. Or not. Okay, so next page. Pet tarantulas. They're fuzzy and furry. They creep and they crawl. Pet tarantulas are here to have some fun with us all. Which, again, those are for members only, so I cannot get it. Same with the spooky armor, for members only. To become a ghoul others aren't likely to forget, be sure to pick up this entire spooky armor set. Katie's got everything right. I'm proud. Items and accessories. Every night, all month long, you'll find accessories and items, it's true. So keep an eye out for what Night of the Phantoms has in store for you. Okay. Oh wait, let me see if the Night of the Phantoms... Haunted Forest Party is there. Okay, I have to go to that after I finish reading this. Coming soon. As the nights grow old. I can't talk. As the nights grow cold and the eerie winds blow, spooky snow leopards are coming out from the snow. Those look sweet. I'm excited to get one of those when I get my membership. So let's go check out that Haunted Forest Party, guys. So here we are. Here, let's check out the clothing shop. I love these little things. They're so cute! They're supposed to be spooky, but they're cute. But everything else is not member. I'll buy... Wait, I think I have some of those already, so I'll check. Here... Oh, I love that. And then that. But I'll just have to get this. Dusty Scattered Books. And I can get the Skull Tombstone. Coffin. Okay. Some music. Oh, I love this music. I think I have that though. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, if you guys don't know, if you stand in here, like, oh no. Right here. If you stand... No! Why is it not working for me? It's not working. You stand right there. Okay. No! Why isn't it working for me? Okay, I think right here. Yeah, if you stand like right here between these two trees in the front, you'll like turn into a ghost to where you're almost invisible. So, I'm getting memberships inside. They just said they want Spooky Leopard. And, yeah. So see, look, you turn like kind of a skeleton ghost. I totally knew that. And then you're invisible almost. So, the next page of the name, Bittersweets. You've been eating candy, but have you gotten your fill? If Bittersweets doesn't stop your sweet tooth. Oh, if Bittersweet doesn't stop your sweet tooth, nothing will. Phantoms are stealing candy, and they need to be stopped. Play as all kinds of pets in an adventure that can't be topped. I've already played this actually, and I got to 1,000. I got 1,000 pieces of candy, and I got a few prizes. I got the taffy. Oh, this is like, okay, there. I got this taffy polling machine, candy shop fence, candy shop register, jack-o'-lantern light strand, which is my favorite. I love those cute little pumpkins. See, look. Right there, they're so cute. And then I got candy wall lamp. This is in stores. So yeah. That's cool. Go check that out. So the last page is Monsters. The Conservation Museum in Appendale, they say, has been taken over by monsters. Be sure to stay away. So I went there to look, see how it was, and there was absolutely no monster there. So I'm confused, guys. Tell me if you see monsters there. I didn't see any. Haunted Forest Party. The Haunted Forest Party's here. Come out and come to see. Grab your buddies and embark on a ghoulish jamboree. Which, that's where we just were. And then this, I don't play AJ Play Wild. there's more Night of the Phantoms. It doesn't end here. In Animal Jam Play Wild, there's an extra fun drawing near. There's extra fun. Play the app for different animals, pets, and more. You never know what Play Wild has waiting in store. So yeah, I love this time of the year in Jamaa. It's absolutely amazing in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. What year in Jamaa is your favorite. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to enter my open collab giveaway with Tenna31. You could win a green lung collar and more. It ends when I get 200 subscribers and when Tenna gets 350. So yeah, go check that out. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, Jammers!